Do you want to know how you can use the Crackle app in your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Crackle app in your phone. Go ahead and open Crackle, and it's quite easy to use. The interface is very clear and you can browse movies and TV shows instantly using the Crackle app. You can go to the settings and see these options, and if you scroll down in the home screen, you can see the categories of movies and series. You can view these functionalities in settings, and you can view series, scroll down, watch it, and you might get some ad after completing the ad, which is around 30 seconds or so. You can now watch movies and series for free. So it's quite simple to use the Crackle app. It's almost clear that we can watch movies for free, and then we can watch movies according to categories and TV shows according to categories as well. So this was a video on how you can use Crackle app in your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.